makinig ng mabuti. Ang pangalan na aking babanggitin ay mananatili pa rin sa loob ng bahay at tuloy ang laban. Congratulations, because your duo is also safe tonight. And River, you are safe tonight. That means,
bye-bye.
I'm sorry, Shuvi and Clarice.
Love you all.
Your duo has just been evicted from the Big Brother house. Housemates, magpaalam na kayo kina Shuvi at Clarice.